Hello there, this is Anthony Samuel M, and I am here. We are in a seminar for the company, and we are on a break waiting to get in for another session. And I decided that it's a nice time that I get to shoot a clip here to talk once more about being successful in network marketing. And I've discovered that one of the greatest qualities that you should have in network marketing is one thing we call patience. You see, once you get into a business, you don't expect to get all in the first instance that you get in. I mean, you don't get all the money in the first time that you get in. You don't get all the experience the first month that you're there. You don't get to know everything in the company the first few months that you're inside there. And so you may not have results as soon as you join, and this calls for patience, for you to wait, for you to keep on learning in the company and everything that is provided in the company, to keep on getting more knowledge so that you may improve your chances of results. You see, I've experienced a lot of people who come into our business and they are there for 1 month or 2 months, and the third month they quit because they're not seeing any results. Now, you're just in the learning process, and if you don't have patience enough, then you're not likely to have results. So for you to be very successful in network marketing, you must be willing to wait, you must be patient, you must attend the events like these ones we are attending. You must be willing to read the books, you must be willing to make the calls, you must be willing to stick there to the final end until you make it. It may take several months, it may take several years, but as long as you're going to be patient enough, you're going to make it. I stayed there and I made it, and if you stay too, you can make it. So go on and be patient and achieve the results that you're determined to get, or the results that you deserve to get, as long as you're going to stay there patiently. Thank you. Once again, this is Anthony Samuel M, and I wish you all success in your business. If you find some quality in this clip that I've just shot, share it with your team or your friends who wants to know much more about network marketing. Be blessed and stay blessed, and all success in your business. Thank you.